Hi everybody, today I will show you how to create a WordPress website for travel business. I'm going to show you how to get a free hosting too. By the moment you can use a free hosting when you get more experience, so you can buy a professional hosting. Okay, let's start it. First thing that you have to do is you have to come to www.hostdigger.es. And you have to create a free account. You can change the language of the website. Let me see. Well, I think so in this area you cannot change the language, but one time that you are in the cPanel, so you will be able to change the language. Okay, first thing that you have to do is to create an account. So you have to come here and create account. I already have an account, so I'm not going to create one, but if you need to create one, so you have to fill up these spaces, or you can sign up with Facebook or Google. Okay, I'm going to sign in with my Facebook account. So I'm showing you how to create the website from the beginning, even from how to get or how to set up the hosting. So okay, we can change the language here. Okay, it should be in English, but it's in Spanish. Well, so we have to click in here in order, and we are going to create to set up our servers. So first thing that we are going to do is to select a free domain. For example, in this case it will be CR Travel 2015 and a password. You have to select your password, so be sure that it's the same one in both areas, first one and second one, then continue. Okay, you have to click here. It's like a CAPTCHA. TYLA, capital letter, N or H. Let's see. Well, I think so. It's a H. And WERCM. Okay. So now we are going to order. Okay, save password. Okay, this is our domain by the moment. So if we copy this domain and we enter this into the browser, so we will see a default page. Default, this one. So we are going to learn how to remove this and how to start to create our website here. We have to wait a couple of minutes. I think so, 1 minute, 2 minutes. Okay, let's see. We are going to refresh to see if our account is ready. Yeah, it's active. Okay, now we are going to enter here and go to manage. This course will be for travel website, and I will create another course for another website for different business too, just in case, because you can also use this these lessons if you want to learn, but it's focused in travel. So we will get a travel website. All the configuration will be for that. Okay, so next thing that we have to do is we are going to create a database. So we have to come here, database, and click in there. So we are going to create a database. Here we have to put a name, by example, and here a username, and here we have to put a password. Okay, and now we are going to create it. So we can to save time, so we are going to copy all this information right here, and we can paste it in a notepad like this one. Okay, perfect. So now this website will be created with WordPress technology, because WordPress is one of the best platforms to create a website. So we have to enter to WordPress.org, WordPress.org, because there are two WordPress. The first one is WordPress.com. We are not going to work with that one, so we have to work with the WordPress.org. Okay, so we have to download here, clicking here again, and the downloading will start to, so it will take around 1 minute or 30 seconds. That will depend on your internet connection. Okay, it's ready. So we are going to open the folder where the download is located, and we are going to move it to the to our desktop. There are two ways to upload these files. So we can upload this file by this is a FTP server, but sometimes it is confused for some people. So for that reason, we are going to learn how to upload this file by another way. Okay, we have to come to the dashboard, and so we have to find here the files manager. Here is the files manager. Okay, so we have to click on install. So we have to wait a couple seconds. And we are going to upload our files. Another thing that we can do is we have to delete this file, the one which is default.php. Just delete, remove, and we are going to upload our zip file, this one. It will take a couple of minutes, probably 1 minute, 2 minutes. So if you have some question about, you can leave your message in this video, or you can contact me by my personal email, so I will try to answer as soon as possible. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That will help me. Okay, so we have to wait just a couple of seconds. Okay, if you come here and you refresh your domain, so now we want to see this this page. Okay, it's ready. Now we are going to extract these files. So now we have to extract. It will take another couple of minutes. Well, it's not more than 1 minute. Okay, now we are going to delete this file, the zip one, remove, and we are going to enter to this folder. We are going to copy to cut all these files, and we have to come here to the main folder right here where is this little house. Okay, now we have to paste, and we have to delete this one because this is an empty folder. Okay, supreme, delete. Perfect. Now if we refresh this domain, we will see our WordPress configuration or WordPress setup. So now we have to refresh. Okay, sometimes it takes a couple of seconds because this is a free hosting, so that's the reason why it is a little bit slow. Okay, here you have to select your language. This is the language of the configuration. So we are going to select English from United States. So, and here WordPress is going to request a database name, password, and all this information. We already have this information. It's the one that we made when we created our database. We have to come here to Let's Go, and here we are going to enter the information that we create. Okay, database name, user, and password. Here we have to put the password of the database. And here, so database localhost. Here is an important point. When you are using a professional hosting, 99% of the times, so you will have to leave it like that, so localhost. But in this case we are using a free hosting, so we have to change that. In this case is this one. One good thing is when we create our free database, the system provides all the information. Okay, so we have our database name, database user, password, database host, and we have to leave it like that. Yeah. Now submit. Okay, everything is ready. Now we are ready to run our WordPress, and here we are going to put the title of our website, so we can change this later if you want. Okay, Costa Rica Travel Tours, username. Here we are going to create our username, password, so here you can put a different password than the database, and here we are going to put an email. Here is very important, this part you have to click in here. Be sure that you select this option, because this option will allow the search engines to index your site. So if you don't click in here, so it will be very difficult for the search engine to find you. So in that way, so for SEO or search engine optimization will be a big problem. So you have to be sure that you select this option. Now, so we have the title of our website, user and password, email, and we select this option. So now we have to install WordPress. Okay, it's ready. So now we have our WordPress ready. So if we copy this domain, so we will see that we have the default page of WordPress, the landing page that WordPress installed by default. Okay, so in this moment it's not very nice, but sorry, but if you come here, you will see that it's mobile friendly. So as you can see, it's responsive. For example, the menu is changed. Look, and that's good, because now it's very important to have mobile friendly websites, and travel business is one of the most important market where you need to have a mobile friendly website. Okay, let's see how many minutes we have. Okay, perfect. I will show you a little bit about this menu, and in the next class I will show you how to install a WordPress template, and how we are going to work with this website to have a great website. Okay, first thing that we are going to do is this is the home. This is for updates. So if you need to update your website, or if you need to check if you have a new version, so you can come here. And this moment we have the newest one. So post this is to create posting. So I will show you how to create and what is the difference between page and post. So we can delete this one, hello world, trash. So that one is this one. So if we refresh, so now we won't see that that post categories. So well, this is very easy. Here's the categories that we are going to add. Media, where we are going to upload our picture. Page. So here we can delete this example page, and here's where we are going to create some page, because they are different between post and page. Page are more for static websites, and post are for non-static website. So I will explain you better in the next class. Okay, comments, where we will see the comment that people create, so we can accept, we cannot accept, so we can delete it. So, and I will show you how to set up the comments configuration, because if you don't set up in the right way, so you will receive a lot of spam. Appearance, so here's where we are going to change our template. So I will show you how easy it is. I have premium templates that we are going to use for this website. So I will, in the next class, I will provide you this template. Plugins are like a little extensions that WordPress has. In that way, so we can create a very powerful website. But it's very important to know which plugin you have to install, because if you install too many plugins in your website, so it will be a problem. It will be a problem because your website will be too heavy, and Google don't like heavy websites. So I will show you which plugins you have to install, and more information about this in the next class. And users, well, this is to create a user. In this moment I have just one, the one that I create when I set up the WordPress. Here you can create a new user. Tools, this is import or export. I will show you how to use. So most of the time you will not need to use this part. And settings, so this is general. Here is where you can change your website name. So I'm going to change the tagline. So by the moment you can play with all these options, but don't touch this option, because if you do it, so we will have problems. Okay, I'm going to save here. Writing, so this is if we want to convert emoticons like this, so but we are not going to use this part by the moment. Reading, how people is gonna to read your blog or your website. And discussions, I will show you how all this thing works. But for this website we are not going to use this option. But here is a very important option that we have to change. By default, WordPress provides this kind of URL. This is not search engine friendly, so we have to we have to select a best permanent link. So we have to select this one, post name. So if you see here, if you see how it changed, look, and now post name, it says that each time that we create a post, the URL will have the name of the post. That will be really good for SEO. So I will show you how important that it is and how we are going to use in the next class. Okay, we have to save here. Okay, perfect. Well, by the moment we have our website. It doesn't look very nice by the moment, but I will show you how we can create a really good website, professional website. So now we have installed our WordPress. Okay, and last thing, I will show you how to update a plugin. Well, it's really easy. So we have to select this plugin and here update. Just that, WordPress will make all the work by itself. Okay, it can take a couple of seconds. Okay, it's ready. The plugin is updated. Okay, by the moment this class is ready, is finished, and the next one I will show you how to install a WordPress template, how to create a menu, how to create some nice slides, and how to have a better website. So something nice, because this is really ugly. Okay, if you have some question, guys, please leave your message. Don't forget subscribe to my channel. So I know that my English is not very good, but I'm trying to learn, and I promise you, so I will try to have a best English level. And don't forget to like this video. See you in the next class tomorrow. Bye.